Yo. Good morning, y'all. I just got to the thrift store. I'm a little early. This is going to be trip to the thrift numero I don't know. And your boy is in my pops swaggy sweater. So fire. But yeah, this is gonna be another trip to the thrift. Hopefully I find some fire today. Y'all peep the outfit. I just posted a picture on my Instagram, so make sure to go peep it. Peace! Found this Mighty Ducks beanie with the stripes going across. It's actually pretty tight. $3. And then I found a vintage Aye.p.ramirez gray tag XL, $8. But yeah, it's got some stains right here. I'm pretty sure those will come off. And then this right here, they're taxing a little bit, $15, but it's a vintage Lacoste vest in the pink colorway. This is kind of fire. But for now, I'm probably just gonna pick up these two right here. I got some size 10.5 Ultra Boost. Super yellow though. Only $20. The boost is so messed up though. Bootleg kids Nike tee and Air Sports. Look at the Medusa heads. Gianni Versace tie. Taxi note asking for $15 for this. Yo, I just found these and I'm so sad that it's missing a C. It's got the freaking full like suit t-shirt with pants, and they got it right here with like the 3/4 sleeve, and then in the red it's got the pants as well. Why? Why these gotta be spelled wrong? Would have caught for sure. Oh my god, dude. $29.99, some nudie jeans. Like the red with like orange kind of hits on it. Yellow stitching. We got some Huff sweats, size medium. They're actually pretty nice, they're brand new. Yo, this Lakers tee is crazy. I think I'm still gonna pick it up even though they're taxing. $15. See your boy on the front. Look at the back. Ooh. Oh, and I found these Air Maxes right here. Size 13 in the black and red. I might pick them up. It's got like a tag right here, so I'm pretty sure these are kind of new. Probably gonna pick these up. They look really good. But the crazy thing about this shirt is, bow down when you come to my town. Look at all the players. Basically the best players from the other teams that ever played against the boy Kobe. So I'm probably gonna pick this up. And then yeah, so these Air Maxes right here, black and red, $20. It's actually pretty cheap. Usually they charge like $50 here for these. So I might scoop, we'll see. I'm gonna post it on IG and see if anyone wants to pick them up. Kids vintage starter, Mighty Ducks. It's got some stains on it. Right there, the face mask is a little dirty. Right here too. It's got the patch down here. We shall see. But dude, check these out right here. These are kind of crazy. It's actually a vintage 1999 WWF The Rock sunglasses. If you could see, hold on, let me get better lighting. If you could see, there's the like the Rock logo on it. It's like it's got like a bowl. If you could see that. See right there, it says 1999 Titan Sports. These are crazy. And it says WWF right there. Maybe we'll go there. There's a good angle. You can kind of see it right there. Vintage Levi's, 34, size large. That's way too high. Not gonna be able to scoop you. Dude, look at this. Honestly, don't know if it's authentic. For $100. An autographed Shaquille O'Neal basketball. I got these right here, from 2009 Air Maxes. They're pretty beat, but the colorway is fire. I tried them on, they're actually my size, 11.5.
Maybe. I feel like these just need one wash and they'd be cool, even though it has some paint chips right there. Super bright. Ferocious. Yo. It's a bootleg, but it's a fire. It's on the Hanes Activewear, made in USA, size XL. $13. Oh my god, your boy staying cozy. 2004 camo Air Forces, size 12. Way too big though. $15. Vintage Fila windbreaker, size large. These are cool little Adidas piece. I think it's vintage. I don't know. I've never actually seen this tag before. It says made in Taiwan. Pretty tight though. Yo, about to pop into this super small thrift store. They got like one rack in here. You never know. Big things come in small packages. Little gray undefeated tee, size medium. Got this big logo. A V-suit too. It's actually kind of fire. Vintage Adidas. A button-up windbreaker. Yo, about to pop into a Goodwill. I'm gonna fix my hair, boy. About to pop into a Goodwill right now. See if we can find that fire. We got the staple long sleeve. Got the pigeon right there. Oh, you seen the A? Found this diamond in the hundreds collab too. Found this Rasheed Wallace Hall of Fame too. Undefeated. And then the PFK Hype Kills too. And this A-Life. Probably gonna leave all of them. Bootleg Versace tee. Women's. Hawaii. Bugs Bunny Polo. Golfing. I got these high top Air Force Ones. $20. Brown and red. Oh, actually, I think I know what these are. So I actually found a good amount of stuff right now. Found this unique little KAWS Peanuts Crewneck. See Snoopy right there. Fire piece. Vintage 80s Levi's USA Olympics. Crazy. Miami Mice tee. And Cosmic thing. Screen Stars too. Crazy. And this right here, just a flower. Tommy T in the women's section. This goes for like 100 something. This one goes for like 100 something as well. This one is just tight. Clever. And can't forget the KAWS. Alright, so I just got back to the boo-boo spot. I just want to show y'all everything I picked up. This is a Screen Stars Cosmic thing. The year in here, or on here, is 1989. This is crazy. If you look it up on eBay, you'll see these are priced pretty high. There's one up there for like 170. So it's pretty crazy to find this. This one is tight too. It's a vintage 1984 Levi's USA Summer Olympics tee. This is crazy. Los Angeles right there too, so that's tight. And then a vintage single stitch Miami Mice tee. Clever little drawing right there. The Uniqlo KAWS tee. Oh, y'all better comment bless you in the comment section. See Snoopy right there. And then right here is the vintage Kobe tee. So fire. I really wish this was in my size. This is more like a medium, I'd say. And then the back is so crazy. If y'all want to see it again. It just has all the, basically the top players of every other team that came through to play Kobe. So it's a pretty tight little graphic in the back. And then obviously the banger of this trip to the thrift is this hoodie, especially because you know we stay cozy. But yeah, it's an all gray hoodie, super comfortable, super soft. You see the embroidered, not screen printed. Look how fire that is. 1995 Guess Jeans USA with the 2 question marks. So fire. Yo, so that's basically gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed Trip to the Thrift numero I don't know. And hit the like button if you want me to do a selling sessions. I actually might be going to round 2 to sell a few items. See if I can cash out a little bit. So hit the comments and hit the like button and let me know if y'all want me to do that. A lot of people have been asking for a selling session, so let your boy know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's the end of this trip to the thrift, and you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion, what is good?